Hello guys, so I am going to show you how to log in using Clever instead of just logging into Google Classroom. I think that it will be a lot easier for you if I create a video to show you instead of try to explain it. The reason why I would like your student to log in using Clever is because that way when they are logged in through Clever, it kind of goes through our district and I'm actually able, or I should be able to, I don't know if it will work, but I'm going to try it, should be able to see the screen that your student is on currently while they're working and while they're signed in with the district's login. That way, while they're working, I can watch them as they go and make sure they're on the correct pages and make sure that they are doing the assignment that they're supposed to do for that day. It also has a great feature where I can chat with them directly, and it will be easier for me to navigate with them on where to go or how to find things if they are logged in through Clever. So I'm going to show you how to get there though. So how to get there, you can either go straight to Clever by Google searching Clever, or you can go to our Pekin.net page. So right now I'm on Pekin 108's district page, and all you need to do after you're at Pekin.net, you need to scroll down and you need to find the student page. So here's students pages, or the student page, and right here is the link to Clever. So you're going to click on Clever. Okay, now this is where the biggest confusion happens sometimes. Our students should know exactly how to log in with Clever because we've done it several times before in class, but a lot of times they get a bit confused. So you do not want to log in with Clever. You want to log in with Active Directory. They have to log in with Active Directory or it will not work. So they log in with Active Directory, click on that. It's going to bring them to where they need to sign in. This is the login that they use to sign into Google Classroom normally. They have a pekin108.org email. They sign in with that email. And then their password, which is their first initial capitalized, second initial, their 5-digit lunch code, and then PPS at the end. Now, obviously, this is my login. It's different than a student login, but you basically would press sign in then, and it's going to bring them to their page. Now, obviously, it's going to bring them to a teacher page, which might look a little different than your page. However, they should see that there are these options: class website, Miss Triplets class, district page. You can go to district page. You can also go to Miss Triplets class, and you'll see Google Classroom right there. They click on that, and it should send them to Google Classroom. If you click on go to Google Classroom, it should lead them to that point, and then it should sign them in. They might have to sign in one more time, but again, it's the same login, but it should bring them up to this page where they can find our Google Classroom page and then go ahead and read my announcement and go to classwork and begin. So that was just how to log in with Clever. Thank you for watching.